Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MLA kanongpo constituency uba Meral Bons henne kasngi hakador bar senrai ulabu ka jengkali hapo kiyeng dorbar halor kamat kabayadai bat ka ILP ulaong babalay hado menta ka jela Meghalaya ka klempat penbanaban pentrekam ya ka ILP haba kiwe ke jela kila pentrekam pura ya ka ILP Shushu ulaong baka jela jongi kadon kam ya ka ILP banyada ya ka khendau ka syap bat ki jaka puta Bad ubo ru ka jengkali babalay ka ILP kamtre kamsyo watla ka yung dorbar kalapan mi yakaray. Nakalyang umentri rang ba Conrad ke sangma habajubab ya kini ki jengkali ulaong nakalyang ka sorkar kadang pet benya halor ka ni kaman. Bat nakapor syakapor kilaya Shong jelang halor ka ni bat kilalet kendu ru yo mentri katnat kampo ying Jong ka sorkar preng u Amit Shah banyak ren halor ka ILP. Nakalyang umentri rangba uladep ban peniru bakiladep aye karai habaya debat ka ILP Henry ka Shongpat ha ka Jingpeit ka MHA.
My query is that why is the Home Ministry taking so long to examine? Number two, what are the main reason or objection for the proposed implementation of ILP in Meghalaya, which is still under the consideration of the Union Home Ministry? Number three, is there any objection from any quarter or stakeholder of Meghalaya or from neighboring state? Number four, sir, if the Home Ministry has retained ILP in other state of Northeast India and recently it has been implemented in Manipur, why not in Meghalaya? And lastly, number five, sir, through this 0-hour notice, I would like to bring to the notice of the House that if the Union government may kindly give an assurance that ILP will be implemented in Meghalaya at the earliest, and if not, will it state the reason for non-implementation of ILP in our state?
So the demand for ILP even grew stronger after the enactment of the Citizen Amendment Act, with several NGOs convening meetings in and around the state, expressing their dissent against the non-implementation of ILP in the state. In view of the increasing demand for implementation of ILP, this August House convened a one-day special session on the 19th of December 2019 and unanimously adopted a resolution in favor of implementing ILP in the state. Mr. Speaker, sir, I would also like to inform the honorable members of this House that a delegation of local MLAs met the Honorable Union Minister in New Delhi on the 20th of February 2020, and the delegation was informed that the central government is examining the resolution passed by the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, and it was assured that the rights of the tribal people of the state will not be diluted. Sir, it is also worth emphasizing that during the 69th Plenary Northeast Council meeting, which was attended by Shri Amit Shah, Honorable Union Home Minister, held from the 23rd to 24th of January 2021, members of 7 NGOs wrote a letter to the Deputy Commissioner, East Khasi Hills, seeking an appointment with the Honorable Union Home Minister, and 7 members from each organization met the Honorable Union Home Minister, and they conveyed the importance of implementing ILP in the state. During the visit of the Union Home Minister to the state on 23rd of February 2021, a memorandum was submitted by the state government in which the matter relating to the demand for implementation of ILP in the state is also included, along with other demands. And sir, the state of Meghalaya is awaiting the response of Government of India on the matter. Mr. Speaker, sir, the honorable member from Nongpo had also mentioned about the different points and said that he would seek some clarification on the different issues. He had mentioned about 7-8 points, which I'm sure the officials have noted down. And I would like to say, sir, the precise reason why this examination of this ILP is going on are the considerations which the honorable member himself has mentioned. That there are so many factors that are there, and I'm sure that the Home Ministry is examining all of those aspects. And as I've mentioned a number of times in the press also, and also to the other members who have asked about this, that from our side, the seriousness has been shown by the passing of the resolution by this House, and now this entire matter is with the MHA and Government of India, and hence we have to wait for any kind of direction or approval from their end.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.